Welcome to Learning Time. In this video, we're going to learn present perfect continuous tense, how to form present perfect continuous tense, and then when to use it. Take a look at these sentences. It has been snowing since Monday. I have been doing my homework lately. Both of these sentences are in present perfect continuous tense. Now, how we can form present perfect continuous tense? For that, we need auxiliaries has, have, plus verb to be, which is been here, plus verb base form plus ing. For example, I have been studying all the day. It has been raining all week. She has been sleeping for an hour. But we need to pay extra attention to verbs that end in E, such as live, make, close, and wipe, because they drop their letter E. For example, I have been living here since Friday. He has been making a lot of noise in the classroom. Please note, these verbs no longer have the letter E. Now take a look how we can make questions in present perfect continuous tense. For that, we need have, has, subject, plus been, verb base form and ing. For example, have you been playing soccer? Has she been doing her homework? And how we can make negative sentences in present perfect continuous tense. For that, again we need has, have, plus not. In negations, it should be hasn't or haven't, been, verb ing. For example, I haven't been listening to the music. She hasn't been waiting for you. Now, take a look when we have to use present perfect continuous tense. We use present perfect continuous tense for activities that started in the past but have continued in the present as well. For example, I have been learning English for a few years. In other words, I started learning English in the past, but still I am learning, I don't stop it. He has been working as a manager. He started working as a manager in the past, but he is still working as a manager in the present as well.